Hi, I am Pooja Jaiswal. I am co-founder and CEO of Last Mile Care Private Limited. Last Mile Care is an organization working for the primary healthcare needs of blue and grey collar workforce. It is really unfortunate that a big segment of our society, that is the blue collar and grey collar workforce, they are kind of not getting proper access to healthcare services yet, and we are kind of first mover in this segment. We are setting up clinic within the industry premises and giving the clear access to all these workers. We are providing them comprehensive primary healthcare services like preventive health checkups, doctor consultations, medicines, counseling and awareness through our dedicated counseling sessions and awareness campaigns. So, as an organization, we see ourselves to cater to more than 1 million blue and grey collar workforce in next 3 years. Thank you. So we work on a anchor led model. So what basically happens is that corporate provides us space, and they mandates this for their own vendor partners. So what generally happens, industries generally have their occupational health center, but occupational health center is for their own employees. But a major section is left out, that is basically working under third party payroll, or you can say it working with their vendors like truck drivers. So it is it's strange that we have been doing preventive health checkup for around 2000 plus drivers every day, and we are getting 30% plus drivers having some sort of vision issues, HIV cases. So on an average, 5 to 7 cases every month we are getting from each one of our centers. There was a month like in July we got 30 cases in one particular center. So this is really very, very, very dangerous, that people are not aware that they are HIV positive. They are not being tested. They are not aware what actually the problem is. There are many drivers who are diabetic. During summers they are having, they are taking cola or any kind of sugary drink, and that again become very dangerous for them. They are 15 days on roads eating outside food and all. So they are all they are kind of very on high risk to all kind of lifestyle diseases and all. So this particular service is very much required, especially for blue and grey collar workforce. They are mostly migrated people. They are going away from their home to work. For drivers, they are on road for 15-20 days, and so they don't have access. So that is what last mile care is bringing to them, access to healthcare. In the setup they are working, and we are keeping a health repository, a unique ID linked health data for each and everyone in a proper encrypted IT platform, so there is no privacy issues. We are properly managing the consent management before sharing any data with anyone. So this is the need of the hour, and definitely we look forward to contribute to this gap which is actually there. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
How can I get your business card?
Yeah.